Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings, gents. I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. It's come to my attention that I've done a video for just about every single Merkur safety razor that's been produced. There are still a couple that I've not done yet. One of those right here, the Merkur 33C. Here's a look at it. It actually looks very similar to the Merkur 34C, but the handle is thinner. The head design is the same. Here's a good look at it. It's a highly polished chrome head, as you can see, and then a bit of polished surface up at the top, a very nicely knurled handle right here, and then the Merkur logo. It says Merkur and then Solingen, Germany, right here, and then a couple of bands for extra grip down at the bottom, and then the underside, the very bottom of the handle, there's a hole. It's hollow in there. And it is a 3-piece razor. The specs on this razor, it weighs in at 2 ounces or 57 grams, and the overall length from top to bottom is 3.3 inches or 85 millimeters. It's a 3-piece razor. Let's disassemble. Handle, safety bar, top cap. I'm going to use a Kai blade in here today. So let's load it up with a blade. This is the Kai blade. They're made in Japan. And interestingly enough, they come in a paper wrapper like this. They have absolutely no markings on them whatsoever. Totally blank. Install the blade right over the post and the 2 pins right there. And then reinstall the safety bar and then the handle. Check that blade reveal. Perfect. Absolutely even on both sides. And very slight bit of overhang on the outside edges here. Just a bit, not much. It's like 1/16 of an inch. Not much at all. Just enough where you can grab it and remove it easily. The rest of the players in today's game will be the fine 21st Century Shave Soap. I'll use the Platinum right here. This just came out. And I will also use the Simpsons Trafalgar synthetic brush T3, the largest of the 3. On the back it says Sovereign Synthetic Fiber, handmade. We'll use that. Really nice, tight, dense, big knot. We'll finish it up with the Shave Nation wide stick alum block right here. And then after that, we'll stick with the fine lineup. We'll go with the Platinum Aftershave. Let's remove the cap. That's what it looks like. They used to be small containers of a hard soap. Now it's more like a cream or a crope, combination cream and soap. It's soft enough where you can just scoop a little bit out. Got my mini spoon right here, my scoop spoon. I'll just scoop a little bit out. And I'm going to drop it right into my Shave Nation bowl. There it is. Drop it right into my Shave Nation lather bowl, down into the lather spot at the bottom. Just put it right in there. There it is, hanging out down there. I'll set that down for a minute. I'll fill up my marble cup with some hot water. Let's drop the brush in. Here's what it looks like when it's dry. There, it's saturated. Let that soak for a minute. I'll pour out the water. Shake off the bulk of the water from this brush. Synthetic, you need to shake a little more of the water out. And let's see if we can mix a lather in here. Just push the tips right down into the bottom of that lather spot. As you can see, oh, it smells nice. It starts coming up around the sides. Scoop it back down in. Let me add a little bit more water. And push those tips further into the lather spot. Swirl it all around. Seems to me that the synthetic brushes, they get it's more of a creamy lather. As you can see, look at, it's just a bit, not real sudsy. Just seems to get thicker and very creamy. There you go. Still have some more down in that spot. Let's, a couple more drops of water. Raise that. There we go. Get the remaining cream from the lather spot down there. Drive it back down to the bottom. Plenty of lather for a few passes. Let's set that down. I'll warm up my face and we'll get right to the shave. All right, that's good and hot. Got pretty good beard growth here. Let's see if we can go from caveman to dapper looking gentleman today. Pick up our brush and our bowl and our copious amounts of lather. We'll go right to the face. Gonna hit the cheeks, the neck, right here. Both cheeks, of course. And I'm gonna hit this area. So we'll soften that up as well. I'm gonna keep this Van Dyke, or most people call it a goatee, or a circle beard, as it's also called, according to the CDC. What happens now? Clear the runways so we can see the sideburns. And I can tell just from swiping the soap, very slick, very slippery. I'm almost positive it's a tallow-based soap, so very slippery. Okay, here's the razor, Merkur 33C. That's what it looks like. Let me warm it up under the hot water, temper it. Now we'll start on the right side here, just perpendicular, then tilt the handle slightly out to find our angle. Let's see how this Kai blade works in here. Pretty good. Very easily removing my several days beard growth here. Go right down the neckline. Pretty aggressive shaving little razor, surprisingly. Stubble filled. Let's rinse that. Now the left side, same way. Perpendicular, tilt slightly out. Go on down. Just use the cream as a guide around the facial hair. Flip it over. Very slick shaving cream. Nice and slippery. Filled up again, let's rinse that. Let's hit this middle area. Pretty even. Okay, let's rinse off. Just a quick rinse. Now relather and hit those cheeks again. Have plenty of lather here. More than enough. Especially since I'm not shaving the chin area. Alright, now we'll go against the grain. Stopping just short of the facial hair down at the bottom of the neck. Excellent. Now across. Very smooth shaving razor. And the facial hair, actually, when you get to it, it stops you. So you don't go too far. You can feel where the resistance starts, and you can just pause right there. Very good. Quick rinse. All right, let's hit those cheeks. We'll just go against the grain on the cheeks. Get baby smooth. Just ride the cap here. Place the round portion on the skin. Tilt it up just till it catches right there. And just skim upward. This will get your cheeks like glass right here. Perfect. Other side, same way. Just till it catches. You're not scraping like this. You're skimming. Find that sweet spot. Perfect. Baby smooth. All right, final rinse. Let's take our Shave Nation wide stick alum block under cold water. Just glide that all around. If you happen to get any nicks, this will seal them off. Really nice finish to the shave. Excellent. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Pat the face dry. All right, let's crack open our fine platinum aftershave right here. Give it a little shake in the fingertips. A few drops. Activate the ingredients. Excellent. Very nice finish to the shave right there. Fine platinum is inspired by Creed Aventus aftershave with a citrus top note and a smoky oak moss base note. That's what that's all about. Here's a final look at the razor, the Merkur 33C. This Merkur 33C has set the standard for wet shaving razors. It is a flat or closed bar safety razor, time tested, providing a close, comfortable shave. Features a slimmer handle than the HD and is comfortable in the hand. This razor is great for beginners and remains a favorite among wet shaving enthusiasts. If you buy it from Shave Nation, it includes one Merkur double-edged blade inside the box along with the razor. Approximate dimensions, weight 2 ounces, 57 grams, length 3.3 inches, 85 millimeters. Made in Solingen, Germany. All right, I went from rough and scraggly to not so rough and scraggly. Just a little center beard, circle beard action, and that's about it. Baby smooth on the cheeks and the neck. Very nice shave. Excellent razor. If you're a beginner, this would be a great starter razor for you. It's not super hefty. It shaves very well. It'd be great for every day, every other day shaving. Highly recommend this razor as a beginner's razor. Feels great in the hand, not too heavy, just very comfortable. The new 21st Century Fine Platinum Shaving Soap performed very well, lathered up very easily in the Shave Nation bowl, along with the Simpsons Trafalgar T3 brush. Still enough lather left over for a few passes there. The Kai blade, nice and sharp and comfortable shaving. I'm still going to give the edge to my favorite, the Feather. The beast of blades, sharper, more comfortable. If you want to crank it up a notch, you can kick it up to a Feather blade, but the Kai did perform very well. Made in Japan, stainless steel blade, very nice shaving blade. Comfortable, no nicks, no cuts, as you can see. Do me a favor before I head out, click the subscribe button down there, and then click the bell up there, and then click all, so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox, and you won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit ShaveNation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh, looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Gotta go to ShaveNation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.